Welcome to another episode of our After Effects tutorial series. Today I'll teach you how to attach objects to walls or grounds using the function called Track Camera. So let's get started. As you can see, we are in After Effects now. And the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to select the clip, go up to Effects and Presets, search 3D Camera Tracker and drag it on the clip you want to camera track. Now After Effects is analyzing your video. When the analyzing is done, you will see a lot of points. The next thing is find the target that you want to use. Right mouse click and choose Create Text in Camera. Change the text you want. If you want, you can change the X, Y, or Z rotation. Then go to Materials Options, change the metal or specular shininess according you want. Repeat the process on the other side. Okay guys, this was it for today. So I hope you learned something new today and enjoyed this video. Make sure to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next.